Hey, Knuckleheads. Knuckleheads, what are you doing? What are you doing? Do you love me? Do you love me, yeah? I know you do. You love me very much, huh, Jade? Yeah. Jade, am I your favorite? Am I your favorite? Tell me, who's your favorite staff? Who's your favorite staff member? Who takes care of you the best? Who loves you the most? What's Ruby doing? Get Ruby. Jade, go get Ruby. Go get Ruby, Jade. Go get Ruby. Get her. Tackle her. Take her down. Ooh, that's not Ruby. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Good doggy. Good girl. And they're off. Where'd they go? Where'd you guys go? There you are. How am I supposed to keep you on camera if you're running around a building? It's not an X-ray camera. It's not an X-ray camera. Oh, Ruby with the backbite. Ruby, take your sister. Be nice to your sister. Get her, Jade. Get Ruby. Ruby's just a killer. Ruby, are you a stone cold assassin dog, huh? So don't let my fluffy body fool you. I'm pure muscle underneath here. Muscle and jaw power. Look at you, Ruby, taking on Jade like that. Jade, hurry, get away! Ruby's coming for you. I know, she's biting my ear, Ruby. Not so rough. Hey! Can I see the ball? Can I see the ball? No, you gonna run away again? Oh, Jade's got her now. Get her, Jade, get her. Get her, Jade. Oh, Ruby takes her down. Jade says, play with me. Play with me. You always sound so vicious, Jade. Why you always sound so vicious? Why you always sound so vicious? Jade, honey. She doesn't want to play. You sound so vicious. Woo. Hey, Jade. Jade, come here. Jade, honey, come here. Bark for me. Bark for me. I'm gonna get you. I gotta have video of you or people would think you're mauling each other. And now she's tired. Jade said, I just want to play. Please play with me. Jade, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you eating snow? You got a bucket of water and you're eating snow? What are you doing? What are you doing? You guys have fun. I'll be back.